How to create impact affiliate marketing account for beginners is what I'm going to show you in this video. Hey everyone, let's get right into the video with going to impact.com, which will get you to this website. Now, in order to create your impact affiliate marketing account, you can go to sign in the top right, which would be the ideal version, or already decide if you are a brand. So you are actually the one giving out deals that you want other people to promote for you, or are you a publisher? So you're the one that takes up these offers and then goes over to, let's say, Instagram, YouTube, and all these other publishing platforms or your own blog to promote these offers of said brands in order to generate them revenue and you getting a cut. So let's click on sign in the top right. Now, as you can see here, you can sign in or you can sign up at the bottom as a partner, a brand, or an agency. We'll go with partner. This totally depends on what you as a person are looking for. Either you're a brand, an agency, or a partner. Choose your corresponding thing on the bottom. Now what you got to do is create an account by entering your first name, your last name, your email address, create a username on Impact, then create a password and then an account display name. For you as a brand, I would suggest you use your brand's name as username and account display name so that it's easier for people to find you. Once you're done with entering all these, do the CAPTCHA, accept the media partnership service agreement, and accept the master campaign agreement, like this, and then create account. I'll quickly do it and be right back once I'm done with it. So once you're logged in, this is the first thing that pops up. It's the opt-in policy. You can choose to opt into receiving emails. As you can see here, opt in, you may industry reports opt in below, or you can say no. I'll click no, apply. Are you sure? By not opting in, you may have misreported the communications. I'll say I understand, continue. Now we're in here. We could scroll down and read all of these things, and we're actually good to go. Now we click on home at the top, and an email has been sent to your email, and then you have to validate your email. I'll quickly do that. I'll be right back once I'm done with that. Now, once you have validated your email, your homepage, like clicking at home at the top, as you can see, would look like this, which now says complete your profile and get verified. Until your account is verified, you will not be able to apply to new brands. That's why we have to complete our verification. How can we do that? We can create a public profile first. Building a strong profile is the number one way to get noticed by brands looking to grow their partner programs. So let's go do that. Create your profile. Company information, you can upload your company's logo. Currently there's no file chosen, but we can just click choose file and then upload a logo or profile picture. Then description, tell brands about yourself, your company, as well as your content. Let's say, so there's a short description of your content and your company. Search keywords, so brands can find you by searching the following keywords. Let's say how to business, say e-commerce, say cryptocurrency. Now, these are the keywords that people could search for and then eventually find us if they want specific people that have knowledge in certain areas to promote your products. Promotional methods, you can choose your promotional methods. Let's say email, SEO, coupon deals, loyalty, mobile content. Let's say content. You can add several, as you can see here. Add another. You can also remove those if you use one solely. Promotional properties, you can list your websites, your social media, your mobile apps. You can add additional information, links to additional information for brand, as you can see here. Add title for a website that isn't actually linked up here. So turn this back off. Contacts, marketplace contacts. Select at least one user to be displayed. So you display one of your users over here. Then Media Kit, if you have one, upload your PDF over here. You can also drop multiple Media Kits and then pause profile. If you currently have way too much work to do and want to keep staying on impact.com, but don't want any more people to find your profile currently, you can pause your profile by enabling the slider on the right, and then pausing prevents your profile from being shown to new brands. You're still visible to and can work with your existing brands. So this is just so that you can save the workload and reduce it in order to fit your needs. You then hit save in the bottom left. Okay, so you have to upload a promotional property and a company logo. I'll quickly do that and be right back. Okay, so now that we've created our public profile, the next step to complete your account setup would be to submit business information. So click that. Now, as you can see here, business information, account display name, website, country, your address, your city, your state, zip code, phone number, enter your time zone, your payment method, your bank location country, your currency, and your registered indirect taxes, and all these things. You then hit save, and your business information should be good to go. I'll do this quickly and come back to you once I'm done with this. Okay, so now that you've submitted your business information, the last step to complete your account setup would be to find a brand. Now let's click find a brand. So once your account has been approved, you will be able to go to brands at the top here. You can see find brands, which would be the last step in validating your account. And as you can see on the left here, you have a bunch of different categories to find brands in to promote. As you can see, apparel, shoes, accessories, apps and downloads, auto and recreational vehicles, baby kids, tools, education, dating, all these financial, insurance and legal service, pets, all these things. Now you can also choose by relationship. As you can see, invited, applied, joined, and not applied. Then there's payout model. You can choose a payout model that you want. Let's say app install, partner referral, online download. There's features. If there's certain features you want, has unique promo code, has mobile apps and all these things. You can change the company location. Let's say US companies pay the most, UK companies pay well as well. Canadian, Australian, German, all these top 5 pay very well. So if you want to choose a company specifically on the amount they pay, then there's service areas, so which area they work in, and ad types. You can say you only want to use email marketing, so only emails, sponsored text, coupons, content, video, and flex ad. So if you don't really care about any of those, you can just leave them as they are. And now take a look at these brands and just choose one. You can choose one by clicking into one of these categories or just looking at the new brands. Let's say TilePix. TilePix, as you can see, online sales, and they give you 15% commissions. You also had PadSplit, host sign up, and they give you $10. So let's use that. Now, as you can see here, my account is pending an approval, so we can't yet apply. But once we are approved, we can apply to these. And then if they comply with what we give them, so what we offer to them, and they like that, they will approve us, and then we can go ahead and go advertise for PadSplit. Now, if we go over to reports at the top and click overview, we'll see an overview of our performance, affiliate performance over the last couple of days, which is 2 weeks, the last couple of weeks. Then there's top categories, so the categories that perform the best for you. And then by referral type, this is where you find your referral types and listed which ones did the best and the worst. You can then choose to see the performance by brand, by day, action listing, saved reports, and scheduled reports. Let's say you want to see, you have several brands you're promoting. Then you can take a look at performance by brand, and then you can see which brand affiliate you performed the best at. I hope this Impact Affiliate Marketing account tutorial could help you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.